Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Galt local and long distance movers near me. We offer the right experienced long distance moving services to help make your move so much easier. Whether you're moving just one state over or you need to move across the nation, we're here to help you. Our moving solutions give you all the best choices to individualize your move for your particular requirements. Along with the standard long distance moving solutions, we also offer each of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Whenever you want to hire a California moving company, justifying the cost may seem to be challenging. A closer look at the benefits you receive from a local moving company may help you realize why it's a smart choice. The time savings you gain can easily make using the services of a moving company among the best choices you've made. Minimizing the heavy lifting also provides yet another benefit you get from working with the best local movers. Our experienced movers offer efficiency with each and every move. You never need to stress over devoting multiple days dealing with your move when you choose 3 movers to help. It doesn't matter how large your move is, we can get it done quick. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Galt moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.